Today we are making one-pan creamy garlic, lemon and spinach salmon. This recipe is super quick and delicious, and it comes together in less than 15 minutes. So, let's get started. First, pat dry your fresh salmon. This is important to prevent it from sticking to the pan and to sear nicely. Season the salmon with olive oil, salt, pepper and garlic powder. Coat it with the seasoning very well, and now your salmon is ready to cook. Before I start cooking, I will boil some baby potatoes for the side, so they are ready while I'm cooking the salmon. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a large pan on a medium-high heat. And once it's sizzling, add the salmon to the pan and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We just want to lightly brown the salmon. Don't worry about being cooked through at this point, it will continue cooking in the sauce later. To prevent salmon from sticking to the pan, wait until the salmon is nice and golden and release easily from the pan, then flip them over. Then remove the salmon to a plate and set aside. Now our potatoes are ready. Add them to the same pan and stir until lightly brown, then remove them. Add diced onion to this tasty brown bits left behind. Scrub it with the spatula and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until it's softened and translucent. Then add 4 minced garlic cloves and stir that around for another minute or so. Now add 1 cup of chicken broth and stir that around until it begins to simmer again. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, keep stirring, then season with salt and pepper. And for a kick of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon and mix that together. Add some spinach, simmer gently stirring until the spinach is wilted. Then add the salmon back to the pan and let it simmer until warmed. It will continue cooking thoroughly while it's taking all the flavors from the sauce. And there you have it. Your creamy garlic spinach salmon is done. To finish it off, I'm adding a freshly sliced lemon and some fresh dill. You can serve this recipe with rice, pasta, mashed potatoes or baby potatoes. The seared crust and the flaky salmon with the taste of onion, garlic, lemon and that creamy sauce makes it so flavorful. It's definitely a super tasty and easy recipe that you should try and enjoy at any weeknight. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one.